Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg, wheelchair accessible Peugeot Partner Horizon 1.6 HDI diesel with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Covered just 16,000 miles from new. This has come to us direct from Motability, as with most of our vehicles. And as you'll see from this short video, the car is in grade A condition, as is with all of our wheelchair access cars. Comes with a full main dealer service history. The air conditioning model, we only really stock those because of the popularity. There's not that many that don't come with air conditioning, but just if you are on the lookout, just be wary that not all of them do. So grade A condition. It's the 5-seat allied conversion, so you can be used as a regular 5-seat vehicle. It also has the fold flat ramp, but for the wheelchair space you just push that button on the back 2 seats, fold that down, tip and fold out the way, and then you will see, depending on the size of the chair or mobility scooter, it'll accommodate 3 people plus the wheelchair user. Moving around to the back, that's the ramp in its deployed position, but it does fold flat to the floor when the wheelchair space is not required. 4-point wheelchair securing, 2 electric belts at the front and 2 manual belts at the back, and the yellow webbing is the electric winch. So if you do need extra assistance in getting the wheelchair passenger in, the winch is there to help you. Also rear parking sensors. Lovely metallic paintwork. Not really sure what the colour is on this one. It's more like a sort of a greeny, bronzy colour. The official colour is green on the V5, but it is a very, very nice, unusual looking colour, especially in the sunshine. Suitable for both mobility users and taxi drivers. For taxi drivers, it does come with the stage 2 plate. We can assist you with the council that you're operating from if you wish us to communicate with them. It's no problem. If you're looking to part exchange, we can take any vehicle in part exchange. Doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We'll make the most of the amount of money you get for that. We've just covered 16,000 miles from new. Finance, if you want to finance the vehicle, you're more than welcome to. We use Motonovo. We can get you in the vehicle very, very quickly, and it has been known from start to finish, the person's driving away on the forecourt within an hour or so. So depending on what your credit rating is, will depend on how quickly and efficiently we can get you in your vehicle. But if you want to call us on 01634 716 911 to have a chat, or if you want to visit our website, you can do so before calling us, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Thanks for